Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today let's see how to make this easy honeycomb wall decor. So all you need is circular colored sheets of about 20, glue and scissors. So first step is to fold the circle into half and then again fold it into half. So repeat the same to all the circular sheets. Now take the sheet and fold it into 3 equal parts as shown. So do the same fold to all the 20 sheets, and when you open it you can see these folded lines. So using these lines we are going to glue all the sheets together. So glue the right and the left line from the center line and glue the sheet as shown. So once you've done gluing all the other sheets, so take one of the sheet and glue in the center and also in the first and the last line and stick the next sheet together. Repeat the same to all the other sheets as shown. So once you finish sticking all the sheets together, slowly open it up and you get this lovely honeycomb decor. Now stick the ends together and you can attach a string and hang it in your wall and decorate your room. I hope you enjoyed this video. Do like and let me know your feedback and comments. Also, subscribe my button to be updated with my latest video. Thank you for watching.